last video that I did about a chemical peel or the how the hair baby face retinol and hydroquinone, if you're not here, if you have not watched that video, you can go watch that video before you watch this video, because this video is basically answering some questions that I think people might want to ask about that particular product, and as well just putting more questions that I was able to get in the comment section that I feel like a lot of people might want to ask this question as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. And before I go into this video, let me just beg you to please smash the subscribe button and as well turn your bell notification on. And if this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Olubukola and welcome on my channel. The very first question that I have here is, does the skin peeling help reduce white dots? Maybe the LDL baby face, that when you peel your skin and you have white dots, does it help you reduce the white dots? Yes, it can help you reduce the white dots, but the issue here is I don't know if just one step or one stage of it can help you, because some people do chemical peel like 3 times, some people do like twice. So I don't know if just doing it once is going to help you kind of like get rid of it totally, but I believe there's going to be a significant difference when you kind of like do the chemical peel. Same person asked a question and said, while using the HDL tretinoin, can I use other lightening soap? And this is the most question I got from people who actually watched that video as well. So if you are using that LDL baby face or whatever chemical peel, it doesn't even have to do with this particular product. Whatever chemical peel you're using, it is not always advisable to use any other thing that is active. The only thing you need in that process is you using your sunscreen and a very mild moisturizer that does not have any added ingredients or any much thing in it, just to help you moisturize your skin. And you might be wondering that, oh, you need to add more moisturizer all the time. Yeah, it's okay to add it, but the dryness you're going to experience on your skin while you are peeling it is just part of the process. So you should not stress yourself that much because of the fact that your skin is dry during that process of you having a chemical peel. But it is okay for you to use a moisturizer, and as well make sure that you stick to using a very good sunscreen that is suitable for your skin. So using a lightening soap or using a lightening cream while still going through a chemical peel or while peeling your face is not the best thing to do at all. Another question that I have here is, the Glow Up Extra Fairness, what serum can I add to it? I always say this is one of the questions I get the most. Whatever cream that is being reviewed, people keep asking, what can I mix to it? There are even people who haven't tried this product before and want to mix it. I want to say that if you are using any product that has fairness, lightness, whatever thing written on it, I'm just going to advise you guys to just stick to using it like that first. So when you now see the results, if there's any other oil you use on your skin, maybe a vitamin C oil, a very good multivitamin oil that you want to add to it, that just make sure that you are safe. Oils out there in the market that are very safe. Just make sure that you're adding a product that is safe into the cream. But I'll advise you at first to just first use it. You can even use the set. Use it with a good scrub and use it with a good soap before you can now conclude if a cream is working on you or not. Because some people don't even use a good soap, a good scrub, but they expect a very good result from a cream. Sometimes it doesn't work that way. So just make sure that you're using a very good set before you can now conclude that this particular product does not work on you. Another question I have here is, I bought Retin A 24K soap and I want to confirm if it does really work and if it can help me with hyperpigmentation. Yes, it can. This particular soap is very good. Retinol soap is very good. Make sure you use it at night and make sure you use your sunscreen with it. I have said it countless times. Whatever it is that you're doing with retinol, please protect your skin from sun, because it increases your skin sensitivity. So get a sunscreen and make sure you're using it at night, and don't use it every day, especially when you're just starting out. So let it out and then increase it more the more your skin get used to it. So I hope that really helps. But in terms of if it is really good, it is a very good soap. It helps with wrinkles, fine lines and aging. So yeah, it is a very good buy. Another question that I have here is, how good is Dr. Mina's serum, and can it be mixed with Vaseline lotion? Dr. Mina's serum that I know is the vitamin C serum. I think they have a face cream as well. They have a brand. Their brand is similar to Dr. Rachel brand. They have vitamin C serum, they have face cream, I think they have oil as well, and the vitamin C serum is very good. So I don't know the particular serum you're talking about. If it is their vitamin C serum, definitely you can use it. I use the LDL tretinoin and retinol on my neck alone. Yes, you can. You can have hyperpigmentation anywhere. Some people have it at the back of their neck, not they want to peel it off. Yes, you can definitely use it on your neck. There is nowhere you can actually not use the peel. Some people use it for their dark inner thigh too. They use it to peel that area and just make sure they moisturize, and that's all. So actually use it for your dark neck, and I believe you're going to see a very good result. Just be sure that you're protecting that area very well, moisturizing it and using a very good sunscreen. You're going to see a very good result because it's going to peel off that skin and just review a new skin which is going to be brighter, and you see results after one peel. Like I said earlier in the first question that I answered, after one peel, some people are good to go with just one peel, some people need 2, and some people need 3. It depends on how severe your skin is. I've seen a girl who documented her process on Instagram. I can't remember her name. I think she did about 3 sessions, and I think the skin after that is very, very good. There's another girl I know on TikTok as well, just one peel, and see the new skin coming out very neat and clean. So how you're going to determine the number of session of peel that you need is going to be how severe your skin is, or how severe your acne spots, your hyperpigmentation is. I cannot say if one peel is going to be okay, but one peel as well can make a difference. So it depends on when you go through that process. That is when you can decide, or that is when you can know if one peel is enough for your skin or not. Last question that I have here is Fair Ultra High Sunscreen okay for acne prone skin? Yes, it is very okay. A lot of people choose sunscreen based off how their skin reacts to it. So this is definitely okay. Just be sure that you're using an SPF of 30 above. Don't use anything lesser than that, especially when you have acne and you have spots and you're trying to clear all of those things away from your skin. Please don't use anything lesser than 30. But yeah, Fair Ultra High Sunscreen is very, very good if you have acne prone skin. There are so many ones that you can choose from if you're not sure if this is working for you. There's Aqua, there's Cosrx, there's a lot. There's Black Girl Sunscreen, there's Hot Trust that you can definitely choose from. There's all this Korean sunscreen as well. They are very good, lightweight, that you can use just in case you're not sure if this is working for you. So these are the questions that I have here, and thank you guys so much for joining me. Please, before you go, please smash the subscribe button so that you're going to see more uploads from me, and make sure you turn on your bell notification as well so that you always get notified anytime there is an upload from me. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.